Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make homemade sushi. The ingredients that you need are some shredded imitation crab, green onions, roasted seaweed, you can use any brand, shredded carrots, avocado, cooked rice, mayonnaise, rice vinegar or sesame oil, and a furikake. In a bowl, you're going to add in the sliced green onions and shredded imitation crab, and then keep layering it with green onions and crab, and then you're going to add a few tablespoons of mayo. You can add a little bit by a little until you get the consistency that you want. Make sure everything is coated evenly. Now let's prepare the cucumber by peeling it, and then you're going to cut it into thin slices. Go ahead and place it on a platter or a plate. Next, take your shredded carrots and just add it next to the cucumbers, and then take your avocado, cut it in half, and then you're also going to thinly slice them. Make sure your cooked rice has cooled down, and then you're going to add a tablespoon of rice vinegar, or you can add a tablespoon of sesame oil. Then get a sheet of roasted seaweed and place your rice on top of the seaweed. Go ahead and spread it out evenly. Sprinkle some furikake on top of the rice, and then go ahead and flip the seaweed over. Then you're going to add a layer of the crab mix, some avocado, shredded carrots, and cucumber, and then you're going to just roll it. I do not have a sushi mat roller, but you can just roll it like this. It works just fine. Make sure you have a sharp knife and go ahead and cut the sushi into pieces. Now you may just eat it as is, or you can dip it in soy sauce, wasabi, or ginger. This is one way to roll the sushi. There's the other way, which is not so messy or sticky, and I'm going to show you that now. So with the other method, you use the same steps, except when you put the rice and the furikake down, you don't flip the seaweed over. You continue to put all of the ingredients down so that the rice is inside. Now you can just cut it without your hands getting sticky. It's kind of like a kimbap. So those are some ways to make a California sushi roll. You can also make sushi with salmon or tuna or whichever seafood or fish you would like. I like to eat mine with a side of ginger and some soy sauce. Enjoy!